whole process was amazing, and I would definitely recommend them.
We are not a discount brokerage. These are top local agents that'll get you the best results.
Currently in our area, 47 degrees under sunny skies. Today, windy with rain developing in the afternoon, high 61. Winds could occasionally gust over 40 miles per hour. For tonight, considerable cloudiness, slight chance of a rain shower, low 35. Here's our 7-day outlook.
This is a case that will stick out in my mind as long as I live.
Why would somebody want to do this and do this in such an evil way?
The twists and turns just never seem to end. I couldn't believe it.
Weather is a key piece of this story.
If conditions had been different in any way, whoever did this would have gotten away with murder.
These are the kinds of cases that don't come along often.
Welcome back to Weather Center Live. Spring warmth is really hugging much of the lower 48 right now, and in record fashion in a few places. A live look at East Lansing, Michigan and Buffalo, New York right now. East Lansing, you could actually break a daily record temperature today with a high right around 80 degrees. And Buffalo, your record-breaking temperature could come tomorrow with highs that will reach the upper 60s. That doesn't sound all that warm, does it? But for Buffalo at this time of the year, yeah, with the Lake Erie right next door, which is still awfully cold. Remember